Now it's time to work on our phonological awareness skills. Our learning target states, I can identify and compare the last sounds in words by listening. We're going to read two words together. Then we're going to ask ourselves, are the ending sounds the same in these words? Let's do number one. Call, hope. Do they both end with the same sound? No, they do not have the same ending sound. Number two, ledge, fudge. Yes, ledge and fudge end with the same sound. Number three, size, tick. No, they do not end with the same sound. Number four, cage, huge. Yes, these words end with the same sound. Number five, back, kick. Both of these words end with the same sound.